I know this has been hard for you trying to get your first job online, screen online, still yet you don't have that your first say. So guys, just stick around. I'll show you 4 tips that will really change the game on how you apply for job, and this really give you your first say instantly. Please don't quit. Be patient. This will work for you. Stick around, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sky Impact. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. This channel talks about how you can start making money online and how you can start building confidence on yourself and also building your spiritual life. So I get it right. People have been complaining. Yes, people have been complaining that they are not seeing jobs online and Fiverr, Upwork, any other platform like freelancing, and they have not gotten any job. See, this leads me to rule number 1. Remember, I'm going to be sharing 4 rules, and this leads me to rule number 1. Stop using the word I and start using the word you. Yeah, let's be honest. Customer doesn't care if you are from Nigeria, if you are from Canada, if you are from US, if you are from United States. They doesn't care. All they care about is that, can you do this job? And why explaining more about yourself when you will go straight to the point? So in my screen right now, you will see that this guy here is talking about himself. Like, yes, I can do all these keys, you are not talking about the problem. So this is where you get your lead. So whenever you're talking to a client, always go straight to the point. Go straight to the point. Get me right. Go straight to the point. This is why I say go straight to the point. If you are bidding for a job, instead of using my name is this, I'm from Nigeria, just go straight to the point. Like, hello, while reading your job details, it really jumped out at me. I understand that you are seeking out a graphic designer or using another format that fits your niche, and using this and start using the word you more than I. Using the word you more than I. Always take note of that. Use the word you more than I. So guys, rule number 2. Don't say it, show them. Ask me why I say show them. So client want to see proof. Yes, that is why you have your gig, your portfolio. But to make it more interesting, especially when you are applying for a job, show them. Don't try to a lot of words, but if you can show them your job, your previous job, that would be exciting. That's why we have Google Drive. In Google Drive, you can easily upload a pictures, like if it's an ebook, if it's an flyer design, anything you do, or if it's a web design, just show them. Don't say too much, and that will put you in front of your client, and that will give you your first say. Very simple. And also, when doing this, always make sure you put it in a separate niche. For example, if it's a flyer, let it be just flyer. If it's an ebook design, let it be just ebook. If it's a website design, let it be website design. Don't try to mess it up and make it complicated for the client. Remember, you are trying to make it simple, and that is how you will get your first job online. Very easy. Congratulations, you got in your first job. That leads us to rule number 3. Ask questions and be confident in yourself. Always have that confidence in yourself, because this sounds interesting, because now you have your first say and now you just dive into the computer, start doing it. It doesn't work that way. So get this right. Get this right now, because if you don't know this, you will lose that first client. So ask questions. Asking questions will make it very easy for you to go to your computer and do that job and get your first say. And asking questions will put your client's mind that you know what you are doing, even if you don't know what you are doing. That is why you always need to be built in searching, because when a client sends you something that you have not done before, just go to your Google, search it and know it. Then be confident in yourself that you know what you are doing, so that when you are speaking with your client, always remember that it's somebody like you out there, like behind technology. Somebody is trying to know what you can do, and asking this question will make it very easy for you. So guys, I believe this is going to help you when you ask question, and with that effort of asking that question, once you get to your computer, it will not take you no less than an hour or maybe 20 minutes or 10 minutes. You are through with the job, and that will give you your first say very fast, and that client will like to come back to you because you know what you are doing, you ask question correctly, you are so confident in what you are doing. That will give you your first say. So rule number 4, But first, before we dive into rule number 4, please guys, subscribe to my channel. That really helps me a lot because I'm new into this system of showing you guys how you can do this. This is what I'm made up for, and this is what I want to do for the rest of my life. So for supporting my dreams, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below, and give it a like. Oh, don't forget, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post any video like this, you will be the first to notice. So guys, rule number 4 is to be patient with yourself. You have to be patient with yourself. One, even if you apply for a job, you submit your proposal to a job, you have to be patient. When you are chatting with a client, you have to be patient. When you are doing the job, you have to be patient. Patience is the key, guys. Drop the bass. Patience is the key because there are some clients out there that is very annoying. But if you understand this method of patience, I believe you will beat that game, and I believe the client will respect you for that. And also try to make it very funny, and not that funny because some clients are not very funny, but make it light for the client. And I believe that is the game. Be patient with yourself, guys. So guys, like I said before, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, that is very important, and leave a comment below on these 4 rules and tell me what works for you. And I think I can learn from you guys because that is very important. I'm here to show you and you are here to tell me, and I learn from it. So guys, thank you guys, see you on my next one.